Hello everyone. So today I'm going to start a series with Microsoft Excel, and the Microsoft Excel is one of the most popular application software used in current offices or mm, current office day-to-day work. And if you go in any of the job, the Microsoft Excel is one of the most preferable software that require to fulfill your eligibility for a specific job criteria. So if you're working in anywhere, it's mandatory you must have a knowledge on Microsoft Excel. So how it's going, what it will do, what how we can work on Excel, that can be covered up in this entire series, the Microsoft Excel Beginners to Professional series. I will start from the basic and reach to end. I will share all the videos, links in the description box also, so you can move in into the next parts in continuous section. So let's start with Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel basically is a program based on a spreadsheet application that is used to store your numerical data, as well as you can do analysis on your numerical data. Like you can perform a certain operations on your numerical data, as well as apart from that, it can also use to store your alphabetical data, like the word sentences, everything you can store it in your Excel. But apart from that, you can also do a numerical calculations. You can put the formulas to calculate certain values, certain results, the kind of things. If we talk about Excel, in the Excel, what it is, it's a combination of rows and columns, and the each rows and column combination is known as spreadsheet. So in that spreadsheet, you will get rows and columns. I will show you how it is. And each combination of row and column is known as cell. And each cell have their own address. So how it is, let me quickly show you. Okay, let me quickly show you this uh, okay, let's go for the next one more slide and I will show you what it is. Okay, if we go and create an workbook. So workbook is a collection of worksheet. When you have a multiple worksheets, it's known as a workbook. Even for a single worksheet, you have to keep a workbook. So in Excel, the files that are created by Microsoft Excel known as workbooks, and each workbook have number of worksheets. It would be totally depend how many you have added in that. Okay, so let me quickly show you this. Okay, just click on start, this one, start button. Once you click on start in your Windows, you will get Excel. You can also type Excel, EXCEL. It will show the Excel app. You can just click on Excel to start this. It will be started and you will get this screen. So if you want to open your existing workbooks, you can click on open and you can open it from here, or you can browse the location wherever your file is stored on your system. Might be desktop, might be your downloads, wherever. If you want to create a new one, just click on home, this site, and then click on blank workbook. So it will open a fresh new worksheet for you. This is a single worksheet, and this is how we have an Excel workbook now. So what we can do in this, you can see this is the combination of rows. These are the columns and these are the rows. So what we have a rows like this and we have a columns like this. These are known as column. So the combination of these rows and column, this one is all known as cell. This is called cell, this box. Each box have their own addresses. You can click on this and see the address. This is the name or address of this cell. How it's calculated, it's basically taking a word from column. This is F, you can see it, F is there, similar as G is there, H is there, and it's taking the number from row. So the combination of this row and column indicates that address. Suppose right now I am in E column and seventh row, so you can see E7 is there. If I go in this G, then you can see G 4 is there. So this is a cell that is called cell address. Okay, so let's continue in this and see what we can do. If you want to enter any data, how you can enter it? You can simply type anything like I want to enter a data like this. Okay, I want to put some information like here data 1, data 2. Okay, you can see I can put it on this here. I can just enter the data like 10, 20. Right now I'm not putting any uh, informational data or logical data at this now. I'm just trying to show you how we can put the information here. We can select this. I will show you how we can copy it, how we can paste it and everything. So okay, so this is how we can type the data in your Excel sheet. I have already mentioned this. You can pause it here and see how we can tap the data. You can also move your tab key here. You can move your tab key or you can move your arrow key to move into next location like this from arrow as well as up down and for tab to next. Okay, how we can save our worksheet. So this is the worksheet that you have to save it. You can just click on file. You can click on save or save as. Once you click on save, it asks you to put the location. You want to keep it in your OneDrive or if you have an integration. Otherwise, you can browse your location and you can save it there. Wherever you want, you can save this. If I want to save it on my local machine, I can just click on browse. It will ask me to put the location. I can choose a location as per my requirement. I have taken a desktop from here. Mm, You can put the name. Okay, and just click on save to save it. Now my file is, you can see it's saved here. Later on, whenever I have added something here, I can simply just click on this option to save it or go to file and I can save it from here. If you want to add a different name or you want to save this file with a different name, you can just click on save as and it will again give you the same location, uh, same section wherever you can, if you want, you can change it with a different name like this one. So now it's saved it with the different one. Okay, uh, just going back on this. So this is how you can, if you want to save it in your OneDrive, how you can save it. OneDrive is the location where you want to save your files for sharing with other colleagues, or if you don't want to keep the files at your local machine, it would be saved on your cloud. So I can just click on this and I can save it on my cloud locations. So that would be available in my cloud also. That is the OneDrive where I choose and you can see it's asking me to connect it and it's saved over there. If I go in my OneDrive, I just open my OneDrive from here. It would be stored in my OneDrive. I'm opening my OneDrive and portal at office. It's not necessary to keep over there, but you want, you can. So this is how it's stored. Okay, so I'm just going to, okay, uh, I'm breaking it right now here. This video, I will continue from the same location in my next video. So keep watching in the continuous series, next one. Until now, subscribe the channel. We will continue in this from here in my next video. Thank you.